In this session we will see the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 5. So first here it is question is there, differentiate with respect to x till question 1 to 11. So first question is given, differentiation of 3x square minus 9x plus 5 raised to 9. So we take the differentiation with respect to x. Then here power rule will be applied, so 9 will come from 9 3x square minus 9x plus 5 raised to 9 minus 1, and by chain rule differentiation of 3x square minus 9x plus 5, and so its answer is 9 raised to 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 raised to 8 into 3x square differentiation 6x minus 9x differentiation is the 9. So again here 3 can be common, and so it is 3 common, then 3 9s are 27, 3x square minus 9x plus 5, here 2x minus 3. Second question we have sin cube x plus cos raised to 6x. So we have y equals to sin cube x plus cos raised to 6x. So with respect to x we take differentiate, then it is sin cube x differentiation by power rule 3 sin square x, and by chain rule differentiation of sin x plus cos raised to 6x differentiation by power rule 6 cos raised to 5x, and by chain rule cos x differentiation. So now we can write 3 sin square x and sin x differentiation cos x plus 6 cos raised to 5x, and cos x differentiation is the minus sin x. And so finally answer we have 3 sin square x cos x minus 6 cos raised to 5x sin x. So from this we can take out 3 sin x cos x common, then from here sin x minus cos raised to 4x, 2 cos raised to 4x. Now the third question we have y equals to 5x raised to 3 cos 2x. So a variable raised to function raised to function is there. So we have to apply the logarithmic function, and for that we take the log on both the side, and log of y equals to log of 5x raised to 3 cos 2x, and so power will come front, and so it will be written 3 cos 2x into log of 5x is equals to log y. And now we differentiate with respect to x, then it will be 1 by y dy by dx, log y differentiation with respect to x. Here we cos 2x and log 5x in the multiply relation, and so we apply the multiply relation differentiation rule, then 3 cos 2x as it is, and log 5x differentiation 1 by 5x, and 5x differentiation is the 5 by chain rule, plus log 5x as it is and 3 as it is, and cos 2x differentiation will be minus sin 2x, and 2x differentiation is the 2, and so we write, then it will be 5 cancel, so it is 3 cos 2x by x plus 3 to the 6, and plus minus it is minus sin, and so 6 sin 2x log 5x into y equals to dy by dx, and so final answer equals to 5x raised to 3 cos 2x into 3 cos 2x by x minus 6 sin 2x log 5x. Fourth question we have y equals to sin inverse x root x. So x root x means x raised to 1 into x raised to 1 by 2 means x raised to 3 by 2 And so we can write that y equals to sine inverse x raised to 3 by 2. Now we take differentiation with respect to x, then dy by dx equals to sine inverse x differentiation 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So this is 1 by under root 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2 square, and d by dx of x raised to 3 by 2 by chain rule. And so it is 1 by under root 1 minus x raised to 3 because 2 cancel, and so x cube, and here x raised to 3 by 2 differentiation 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, and so the final answer we have 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2, and so under root x minus upon 1 minus x cube. We have sixth question, y equals to cot inverse under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x. So under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x, 0 less than x less than pi by 2. So 1 plus sin x, that one value we know that sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, and sin x value 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So this value we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 all square. Now to take out this value, we want this value is the positive, and so 0 less than x less than pi by 2, then 0 less than x by 2 less than pi by 4, as we divide by 2, then in 0 to pi by 2 both are positive, and so its addition also positive, and so under root 1 plus sin x equals to sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Now for 1 minus sin x, sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, so it will be sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 all square. Now again divide by 2, then 0 less than x by 2 less than pi by 4. So in this interval we know that sin x by 2 is less than cos x by 2, and so here we take out the root, then it is minus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. So this can be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now we find out the value of under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 minus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x. So sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and derivative sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus, because of minus sign this sign will change, so minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So here sin x by 2 cancel, and here cos x by 2 cancel, so numerator will be 2 times cos x by 2, denominator will be 2 times sin x by 2, 2 to cancel, so cot x by 2, and so our question will be y equals to cot inverse cot x by 2. Now cot inverse and cot are inverse function of each other, so merge each other, and so y equals to x by 2. Now we take the differentiation with respect to x, then dy by dx equals to 1 by 2. We have the fifth question, y equals to cos inverse x by 2 upon under root 2x plus 7. So this function is well defined. Y is well defined for x greater than minus 7 by 2, and so this differentiation will be defined for x greater than minus 7 by 2. Now here we take differentiation with respect to x, then dy by dx is equals to, we apply the division rule, and under root 2x plus 7 square, here cos inverse x by 2 differentiation, and under root 2x plus 7 as it is, minus cos inverse x by 2 as it is, and the differentiation of under root 2x plus 7, and so cos inverse x by 2 differentiation will be 1 by under root 1 minus x by 2 square, that is x square by 4, and x by 2 differentiation 1 by 2 under root 2x plus 7 as it is, minus cos inverse x by 2, and under root 2x plus 7 differentiation under root 1 by 2 under root 2x plus 7, and 2x plus 7 differentiation is the 2, so 2 to cancel, by under root 2x plus 7 whole square. So here we take the LCM, then it will be 4 will be root 2, and so 2 by under root 4 minus x square into 1 by 2 into under root 2x minus 7 minus upon under root 2x plus 7 minus cos inverse x by 2 upon under root 2x plus 7 whole square into under root 2x plus 7. So here 1 under root 2x plus 7 cancel, 2 cancel. So answer is 1 by under root 4 minus x square into under root 2x plus 7. While here answer will be minus cos inverse x by 2. Here under root 2x plus 7 raised to 3. For x raised to minus 2 by 7, this is defined. Now question 7 is given y equals to log x raised to log x. So function raised to function is given. So we have to apply the logarithmic differentiation, and so log y equals to log x into log of log x. This log power will come front. So now we take the differentiation with respect to x, and 1 by y divided by dx equals to log x as it is, multiply rule we apply, and log of log x differentiation 1 by log x, and log x differentiation by the chain rule 1 by x plus log of log x as it is, and log x differentiation is the 1 by x. So 1 by x we take out common, and log x cancel. Then 1 by x 1 plus log of log x is equals to 1 by y divided by dx, and so divided by dx equals to y by x 1 plus log of log x, and so y value we submit, then log x raised to log x upon x into 1 plus log of log x. Now we are given y equals to cos a cos x plus b sin x. So here where we have defined function, so we directly take differentiation, dy by dx equals to cos differentiation is the minus sin a cos x plus b sin x, and by chain rule differentiation of a cos x plus b sin x. So we have minus sin a cos x plus b sin x, and a cos x differentiation minus a sin x plus b sin x differentiation b cos x, and so we have minus sin a cos x plus b sin x into b cos x minus a sin x. Ninth question, we have sin x minus cos x raised to sin x minus cos x. So here function raised to function is given, so we apply the logarithmic differentiation. For that we take the log both side, and log y equals to log of sin x minus cos x raised to sin x minus cos x. So power will come front, and it will be written as sin x minus cos x log sin x minus cos x. So now sin x minus cos x into log sin x minus cos x. So we differentiate with respect to x, then this differentiation 1 by y divided by dx, and here we apply the multiply rule, then sin x minus cos x as it is, and log sin x minus cos x differentiation 1 by sin x minus cos x, and sin x minus cos x differentiation cos x minus sin x plus sin x plus log sin x minus cos x as it is, and here again sin x minus cos x differentiation cos x plus sin x. Here sin x minus cos x cancel, and from both the term cos x plus sin x common, then answer will be 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. Now this is equals to 1 by y divided by dx, and so dy by dx is equals to y into cos x plus sin x into 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. And so y value we submit, then it is sin x minus cos x raised to sin x minus cos x into cos x plus sin x into 1 plus log sin x minus cos x. Now this function is defined only for sin x minus cos x greater than 0, and so we require the condition sin x greater than cos x to define this differentiation. 10th question is given y equals to x raised to x plus x raised to a raised to x, a raised to a. So here variable raised to variable, a is the fixed value, so variable raised to constant and constant raised to variable. So we differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx equals to d by dx of x raised to x plus differentiation of x raised to a with respect to x plus differentiation of a raised to x with respect to x and differentiation of a raised to a. So x raised to x differentiation already we have studied, x raised to x 1 plus log x. X raised to a differentiation ax raised to a minus 1, that is also studied. A raised to x differentiation a raised to x log a, and a raised to a will be 0, and so final answer we have x raised to x 1 plus log x plus ax raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log a. So now 11th question is given y equals to x raised to x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 raised to x square. So here if we take q equals to x minus x raised to x square minus 3 and v equals to x minus 3 raised to x square, and y equals to u plus v, and then differentiation of y with respect to x will be du by dx plus dv by dxv. Now for du by dx, we have u equals to x raised to x square minus 3. So here function raised to function is given, and so we take the differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. So we apply the log. So log u equals to x square minus 3 log x, and so we take the differentiation with respect to x, then 1 by u du by dx. Here we apply the multiply rule, then x square minus 3 as it is, log x differentiation 1 by x plus log x as it is, and x square minus 3 differentiation 2x. So now u will go other side, then du by dx equals to u into x square minus 3 by x plus 2x log x. So u value we submit x square minus 3 x raised to and x square minus 3 by x plus 2x log x. Now for dv by dx, we are given x minus 3 raised to x square. So v equals to, and so we apply log, then log v equals to log of x minus 3 raised to x square, and so we apply the differentiation with respect to x, then 1 by v dv by dx is equals to x square log of x minus 3. Sorry, here we can write x square log of x minus 3, and so log of x minus 3 differentiation, log of x minus 3 as it is, x square differentiation we write 2x plus x square as it is, and log of x minus 3 differentiation we will have 1 by x minus 3 and x differentiation 1, and so we have dv by dx equals to v into x square by x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. Now v value we submit, then dv by dx value we have x minus 3 raised to x square by x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3. And so this answer we write into the addition format, then dy by dx equals to x raised to x square minus 3 by x plus 2x log x plus x minus 3 raised to x square by x minus 3 plus 2x log x minus 3.